Okay, one final video. I'm just going to do a little bit of tidying up before we finish off this system here. I want to, let's see here, enemy spawn, whatever, okay. What I want to do is I want to make sure that if I press G to go to my game view, I want to reactivate this to hide end game. I'm going to do that. Click on my wave spawner. Go to my viewport. Remember this thing right here? If you go to your spawn trigger, this hidden in game, we want to reset that to be true. So make sure that that is check marked and turned on. File save. All right, what else? Save, play, somewhere around there. Okay, cool. Also, I want to get rid of the print statements. I don't think we need those cluttering up our console anymore. Double click that. Get rid of that print string. Make sure you reconnect it right there. Go in here. Get rid of that print string. Make sure you reconnect it. Let's just delete to get rid of that. Okay. Make sure you compile these to compile save. Compile save. All right. Did we do this one? Yeah, we did. Let me go back here. Make sure we don't have another one. So enemy wave. Did we have a print string in there? I don't think so. Wave spawner. Oh, okay. We did have one in the wave spawner. So this is the initial trigger for setting this all off. Delete the print string. Drag into the do once. All right. Just as an optional thing, you know, if I mentioned that you could select things and hit a comment or hit C for comment, start spawning our waves, or let's just say activate our waves. Okay. But you can actually do individual ones too if you want. Like if this little thing right here, you click this little dialog box right there. I just click that, and then you can add a little comment here if you want to, and say go through each wave. And a lot of times this might be redundant. I just want to show you that you can, but it should. The whole point of blueprints is that it's very visual, and you can see what it's doing every node. Compile, save. If you want these things to actually navigate, make sure you build a nav mesh. Oh, it's not called nav mesh. Nav mesh bounds volume. So if you drag this in, I've already set mine up here, but if you drag this in and you resize it, I'm going to delete that, but you might want to stretch this out right here, just to cover all of the walkable area. So I might actually grow that out a little bit bigger like that. So have your nav mesh bounds volume. Cover your floor space that you want your enemies to move. And make sure you build. This could take you a bit. You could only build the geometry or only build the pathing. It's another way to do it. But in this case, I did want to build everything. And now if you hit play, already, wave spawning. This guy might have some hidden stuff there. Okay, cool. So they're acting a little funky, but it's probably some other things I have going on in the level. But our spawn system is working. They're navigating, they're coming into the level, they're chasing me down, and I could build more waves if I want and create some sort of wave fighting combat scenario.